So you press change and it changes it from powered to not powered.
And where is that change button?
Right here.
There's the change
in the
button.
bottom left corner.
And what are we doing here?
Cylinder cutout.
Correct. So each time you change a cylinder, what is happening?
It's cutting out the injector of the cylinder so it doesn't fire. Ta-da!
Now, how do we get to this page once we enter the CATCOM unit?
Go to diagnostic tests, cylinder cutout test, and then there you go.
And will that be viewable the second that we won't open a CATCOM?
After it's connected to the CATCOM, yes.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.